adventure, come along with me, marching through the alphabet from A to Z. Look around, what do we see? Lots of letters, follow me. A, B, C, come explore. There's so much to learn and more. Sing along, it's time to play. An alphabet adventure today. A is for alligator, snapping with a smile. B is for butterfly, fluttering in style. C is for castle, big and tall. D is for dinosaur, stomping through the hall. A, B, C, come explore. There's so much to learn and more. Sing along, it's time to play. An alphabet adventure today. E is for elephant, swinging his trunk. F is for fire truck, honk, honk, clunk. G is for giraffe, reaching up so high. H is for hot air balloon, floating in the sky. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jungle, where the wild things meet. K is for kangaroo, jumping all around. L is for ladybug, crawling on the ground. M is for mountains, climbing to the top. N is for nest, where the birdies stop. O is for ocean, so deep and blue. P is for puppy, saying woof woof too. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rain, falling down. S is for sunshine, warm and bright. T is for train, chugging out of